Ayan guys, day 2. Hindi, day 1 pa rin pala. Kasi yung last video ko is 2 AM, 3 AM. Ngayon guys, it's around 9 AM na. And subukan natin siya i-hand feed guys si Prada ng quail. Guys, first time ko din maghawak nito. Ayan o, quail talaga siya guys, quail. I'm gonna feed you a baby bird. Okay, I'm gonna get the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna get the bowl. Ay, Jesus! Bakit? Kukunin ko lang yung bowl. Kukunin ko lang yung bowl. Yung isa pa, kukunin ko pa yung isa. Kasi... Try ko muna yung bigay by hand. Sige. Oh my God.
Satisfied.